What's up, everyone? Today I need to wash a couple of things, and I am so excited to see how these microfiber drying towels work. These are made by FantastiCLEAN, and these are a nice microfiber cloth so I can get rid of these stupid water spots. So stay tuned as we put these to the test and check out if they really work.
First we need a little soap, then we add a little water. Now we go through and scrub it up dub, get this thing all cleaned up, rinse it all down, make sure we get all that soap off.
Camper's all washed off. Let me pop these things open. This will be the first time I've had these open. As you can tell, I don't know where, there they are. And I hope that these are the best drying cloths in the world and they don't leave any residue behind. All right, they're nice and big, but I'm already seeing stuff fall off them, so let's hope and pray. Hey, I'm not seeing anything left behind. A little bit, but I guess, they need to be dried once. Hey, I'm happy with this. First time I've ever used them, opened them. And I just got them in yesterday, so I really haven't had time to play around with them or even look at them. But I'm happy with this, especially black. This is the hardest color to do because you see everything. Okay. All right, you guys don't have to watch me do this, but I'm gonna finish this up and see how it works. I'm out of work. I am on my second wash. I've let this sit all day and dry, and it is dry. So less than a day, microfiber cloth, it is dry for us. We can use it tonight on this car right now. I did not give it a fair chance though, because I did not read instructions. Right on the front, it says, care instructions, please pre-wash before use. So we wouldn't get all those little fuzzies on there. Pre-wash before use, machine washable. They come with 3 gray and 3 tan. So there's 6 total in this package. Again, they're made by FantastiCLEAN, 700 per square meter. So these are definitely my go-to for right now. I'll keep you updated. So far from what I'm seeing, I'm really happy I got them. All right, now that this thing's dry, let's see if it leaves any residual behind. Now it's time to do your thing, FantastiCLEAN. Yes. Now that I've used it and rinsed it out, there's nothing being left behind. Oh, I'm loving this already.
Ooh la la, and here's a final product. So fresh and so clean.
Okay, so for somebody who uses these kind of towels all the time, between cleaning, washing, wiping everything down with the van and with all the campers, I can honestly say that these FantastiCLEAN rags, they're awesome. They're 16 by 16, so they're big, they're nice, and they have a lot of plush feel to them, so they're very absorbent and they take a lot of water in, but they're also easy to clean, they're lightweight, they dry quick, and they don't leave a bunch of crap behind. So I am a fan of these. If you want to pick up some of these yourself, I will leave a link in the description below. I am an Amazon affiliate, so I will get a little commission off that, but it does help support the channel. So thank you for watching, everybody. If you like these kind of videos, do me a huge favor and smash that subscribe button and keep on coming back for more. I have a lot more gear reviews, a lot more camper comparison, and a whole lot of camper tours. Plus, I live in this converted van. So stick around, and I'll see you guys all next week. Bye, everybody.